Three states have banned cold reef cough syrup after death of 12 children in Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare said that drug control officials have found traces of diethylene glycol (DEG) beyond the permissible limits from the samples of the cold reef cough syrup sent to it by the Tamil Nadu FDA. Laboratory tests conducted in Tamil Nadu confirmed the presence of substance in the syrup, prompting the Madhya Pradesh government to ban the sale of cold reef and all other medicines manufactured by Shrisan Pharmaceuticals, which is a Tamil Nadu-based company. The report declared cold reef syrup batch number SR13 manufactured May 2025, expiring April 2027, as not of standard quality and adulterated, containing 48.6% diethylene glycol, which is a chemical used in antifreeze and brake fluids, known to cause acute kidney failure and death when ingested. Earlier on Friday, Union Health Ministry had issued an advisory to all states and union territories directing that cough and cold medications should not be prescribed to children under the age of 2 years.